Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. Today I would like to show you the way how you can film yourself to build cinematic with iPhone. So you only need to shoot your self with this point of view. You can take any point of view that you want. And here in this video I would like to focus the way how you can edit the video so that you can get the cinematic video. So here is the raw video. There's only one point of view, but then here I want to make it cinematic. How to make it cinematic? It's so simple. First thing we have to do is just adjusting the color grade of it. Let's just take a look on this button feature. Slide it into the left side until you got the adjust option, and then you just need to go click it, and you just need to make this type of adjusting. It's all up to you, but this is the way I do for my video. For the brightness, I want to drag it into the left side, so I will let to reduce the brightness of the video. So and then the contrast, I will let to drag it into the right side to get more contrast video. And for the saturation, I will have to make it more cool rather than warm. And then I'll let the jump into the shadow things and then drag it into the left side. So I will take more shadows for it. And now I will let it go into the temperature and add drag it to be more cool into the left side. And if you want, you can also add the vignette. So you will get the corner type of frame. So I get this, and then just have to click this checklist button. So here, make sure that this adjusting is applied into the whole video. And right after it's already applied it, I will let to make it more darker. So I will let to tap it, and I will let to find the opaque option. Go tap it and then just drag it into the left side to make it more opaque. And now we just have to click checklist button again. So we need to go back into the beginning part. I would like to make this video clip to be more slow motion. Also, I would like to tap into the speed and drag it into the left side. So I will get this super slow, and then go click this checklist button. And let's check again about the adjust. Does it already applied into the whole video? Okay, it's already applied it. Now the next thing I want to do is just split into the several parts. So I want to make it like every 4 or 5 seconds, and then click the clip, split, and then I would like to drag this point into the right side to cut several seconds of it. So it will jump into the several position of the view, and then I'll do the same for the rest. Get 5 seconds, or I want to make like 8 or 9. Go split it and drag it into the right side again to cut several sections. And done. And now I would like to make the transition between the transition between clip here and then I want to do this animation first. For the first clip, go click animation, and in the in part use this fade in to adjusting into the specific duration, and then go jump into the out and choose the fade out, and then go click this checklist button and do the same for the rest. This is how the way I make my video become look more cinematic. And you can adjust some text here. So let's say I want to add a text after it's become clear video. So let's just find a text feature. Go click text, type some add text, and then type it. and then give the correct font. Click checklist button, adjusting the duration. And you can just jump into the next clip and add the text again. And then the last text will be into the last clip, and it will be the same. Adjusting the duration of the clip again. And now let's check the result. And now that's all. So hopefully you enjoy it. Let's meet again into other tutorial.